Hello everyone, welcome to class 4. I am your science teacher and today we will do a short revision of lesson 1 and will solve worksheet of lesson 1. Now let me tell you objectives of today's lecture. Students will be able to define food science and students will be able to understand how food science research is used and applied. Human beings are dependent on few basic needs for living without which they cannot survive. These basic needs are food, including water, shelter and clothes. A human being needs shelter to protect themselves from rain, cold, sun and wild animals. Clothes are one of the basic needs of human being. Before clothes were made, man used to cover himself with skin of animals or bark of tree or with leaves. Food is our basic need. We cannot live without food. It gives us the energy to work and play. It makes us strong and healthy. It helps us to grow. It protects us from diseases. Eating good food, especially with family and friends, is one of the pleasures of life. Children who eat well usually grow well. Food gives us energy for doing activities. We can define energy as the strength to do any kind of physical activity. Energy is the ability to do work. Eating, bathing, grooming, working or engaging in passionate pursuit, you need energy, which is supplied from your diet in the form of calories. Energy fuels your body's internal functions, repairs, builds and maintains cell and body tissues and support the external activities that enable you to interact with the physical world. Digestion and absorption of the nutrients in food use 5 to 10% of your daily energy to produce more energy. According to different resources, diet composition also determines energy requirement for food metabolism. Digesting protein uses the most energy, or about 20 to 30% of the calories in the food. Carbohydrate use 5 to 10% of calories and fat uses 0 to 3%. We need energy even for studying because your brain needs a constant supply of energy to continuously maintain, support and protect your life. Mental activities such as work, hobbies, reading, studying, homework, doing crossword puzzle, learning a new language. We need energy even for playing. External functions supported by energy include exercise, work and play. If you are active and have a high lean body mass to fat ratio, your energy needs are greater than someone who leads a sedentary lifestyle or has a high body fat composition. Our body needs energy even for walking and talking. Some of the energy is also used to help us grow. As kids grow from nursery to college, there continues to be a wide range of normal regarding height, weight and shape and muscles development and brain development. Kids tend to get taller about 2.5 inches each year, and when it comes to weight, kids gain about 2 to 3 kg per year. Normal growth supported by good nutrition, enough sleep and regular exercise is one of the best overall indicator of child's good health. Your child's growth pattern is largely determined by genetics. Pushing kids to eat extra food or get higher amount of vitamins and minerals or other nutrients will not increase their height and may lead to weight problem. Many people want stronger and healthy hair, especially as they grow older. Your hair grows around 0.5 inches means 1.25 centimeter per month and 6 inches means 15 centimeter per year. How fast it grows depends on factors like age, health, genetics and diet. Although you can't change factors like age and genetics, diet is one thing you have control over. In fact, consuming a diet lacking the right nutrition can lead to hair loss. On the other hand, eating a balanced diet with the right nutrition can help promote hair growth, especially if you are experiencing hair loss due to poor nutrition. Even energy is helpful for muscles development. Muscle is the body's most metabolic tissue, which means it requires more energy than other body tissues to maintain itself. Because they are naturally more muscular, men need more energy, calories than women do. Children and young adults undergoing developmental changes in height, weight and body composition have greater energy needs. Energy requirement changes as people age. When building muscles, it is necessary to eat a variety of nutrients, dense foods with the right blend of proteins. Dietary protein sources provide the body with essential amino acids for building new muscle tissue after exercise. Dietary carbohydrate sources also provide the body with energy for tough workout and replenish energy stores in muscles. The key to healthy eating is to enjoy a variety of nutritious food from each of the 5 food groups. The 5 food groups on a plate are in the proportion that you should be eating them throughout your day. If you eat a variety of foods from each of these groups, your body will receive all the nutrition and vitamins it needs to function. Foods from the basic food groups provide the nutrition essential for life and growth. These foods are also known as everyday foods. Each of the food groups provide a range of nutrition and also have a role in helping the body function. A balanced diet includes a variety of foods from each of the 5 food groups and offer a range of different tastes and textures. It is important to choose most of the foods we eat each day from these food groups. The food that we eat has many substances that help our body to grow and stay healthy and strong. The substances that are needed by our body for energy, good health and proper growth are called nutrition. They give us energy to do our work. They help to repair our body and also prevent us from falling ill too often. The main nutrients found in food items are carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Food items such as cereals like rice, wheat and corn and vegetables such as potatoes give us a lot of energy. They contain carbohydrates. Food items rich in carbohydrate are called energy-giving food. People who do a lot of physical work need a lot of carbohydrates to give them more energy because they spend their whole time in the sunlight and keeps on working. The laborer spend 8 to 10 hours working with hammer and other tools in the agricultural field, construction site and other places. For providing the instant energy for muscular work, the carbohydrate in the form of sugar and starch are required, which are converted into molecules of energy. So, people like labor, farmers and sports person needs lots of carbohydrate rich food items. Food item such as food grain, pulses, peas, eggs, meat and milk are rich in protein. Food item rich in protein are called body building food. They are needed for the growth and repair of our body and also for building muscles. Young children need more protein rich food than adults because they are still growing. It is important for the maintenance and repair of the body. Children require more protein for their growth. Food items such as nuts, oil, ghee and butter are rich in fats. They provide more energy than food items rich in carbohydrate. They also help to keep the body warm. Our body needs very little fat. Extra fat is stored in the body for later use. Fats also provide energy for the body and they act as reserve of energy when carbohydrates are not available. Food items such as fresh fruit and vegetable, milk, egg and peanut are rich in vitamins and minerals. They protect us from diseases and keep us fit and healthy. They are also called protective food. Vitamin helps to form and maintain healthy teeth, bone and skin. It helps to fight against infection and diseases. Food rich in vitamins are almond, sunflower oil, spinach, carrot, orange, beans, etc. Vitamin A improves eyesight and keeps our skin healthy. Vitamin B is needed for various functions of the body. Vitamin C helps to fight infection and keeps our gums and teeth healthy. Vitamin D helps in proper absorption of calcium in our body. Vitamin E and K keep us fit and healthy. Sources of vitamin A are milk, egg, carrot and mango. Sources of vitamin B are milk, green leafy vegetable, meat and whole grain. Sources of vitamin C are green vegetables, tomatoes and cauliflower. Sources of vitamin D are sunlight, egg yolk, milk, fatty fish and dairy product. Sources of vitamin E are corn, cereals, vegetable oil and almonds. Sources of vitamin K are cabbage, spinach and olive oil. Calcium helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Example of calcium-rich food items are milk, curd, almond and cheese. Iron helps in the formation of blood. Example of iron-rich food items are green leafy vegetable and dry fruit. Food items such as cereals, corn, green leafy vegetables and fruit contain fiber that cannot be digested by our body. The part of the plant food that cannot be digested is called dietary fiber. It helps to remove waste material from our body. Water is also a very important part of our body. Our body needs water for all its functions. We should drink plenty of water every day. Our body also needs plenty of water to function properly. Water helps to digest our food and remove waste from the body. Our body contains about 70% of water. But time to time we lose water from our body in different form. To overcome these loss, we must drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. A diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount, dietary fiber and water is called a balanced diet. The picture shows some food item that make a balanced diet. In order to stay healthy, we should eat food items from each of these food group daily. Food items kept uncovered are exposed to dust, We should avoid eating uncovered and cut food sold in street. Foods also get spoiled when they are left for long time, as germs grow quickly when there is moisture and warmth. We can see black and green or grey patches on so many vegetables or food. If food items are kept for a long period of time and not stored properly, they get spoiled. We can preserve food in number of ways. First method is food drying method. By removing the water content of the body, we can preserve food. For example, drying grapes to get resin. Second method is pickling. By mixing fruit and vegetable with salt and oil, we can preserve food. For example, mixing mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt. It is one of the oldest methods of preserving food. Fish and pickles preserved in this manner. Salting preserved food by drawing water out of the food. Now next method is refrigerating. By keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetable in the fridge. Refrigeration is an easy method of preserving food for few days. It preserves taste, texture and the nutritional value of food. We can keep fruit, vegetable and cooked food in refrigerator. Now next is deep freezing method. By keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. For example, keeping meat and fish in the freezer. Now next method is canning and bottling. By storing food in cans and bottle, we can preserve food. For example, bottling of sauces and jams. Now let's understand the role of rest, posture and exercise in our health. Our body needs rest for proper functioning. We need 6 to 8 hours of sleep in a day. Lack of sleep may result in improper functioning of body organs. It can make us fall ill. Therefore, staying up late is not a good idea. Posture refers to body position. It is important for us to keep our back up straight, and while standing or sitting it should be upright. Incorrect posture over a long period of time can lead to pain in joint and muscles. Exercise is important to stay healthy. Regular exercise and playing outdoor games such as hockey, football and cricket help us to stay fit. Yoga is an ancient method of exercise practiced in India and also helps to keep us healthy and strong. Now let's solve worksheet of lesson 1, food our basic need. Question 1 is filling the blank. Dash help to keep our body warm. The answer is fat. Fat keep our body warm, and we can get fat from food such as nut, oil, ghee and butter. Dash consists of all the nutrition in the right amount. The answer is balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet that has all the nutrition in the right amount. Third, fill in the blank. Dash remove waste material from our body. The answer is dietary fiber. Means the part of the plant food that cannot be digested, which is called dietary fiber, and it removes waste material from our body. Now let's see fourth fill in the blank. We can preserve meat and fish for a longer time in the dash. The answer is freezer. By deep freezing method and by keeping food in the freezer, we can preserve food such as meat and fish for a longer time. Fifth fill in the blank is dash is an ancient method of exercise practiced in India. The answer is yoga. Yoga is an ancient method of exercise practiced in India and also help in keeping our body fit. Now let's see true or false. First, food items rich in protein are called energy giving food. The statement is false because food items rich in protein are called bodybuilding food, and which you can get from milk, egg, cheese, fish, meat, beans and pulses. Now let's see second statement. Regular exercise is important to stay healthy. The statement is true. Third, 3/4 of our body weight is water. This statement is true because our body needs water for all the functions. Fourth statement, fats are also called protective food. The answer is this statement is false because vitamins and minerals are protective food. Now let's see two examples. First, calcium-rich food items. Milk and cheese are example of calcium-rich food item. Second, iron-rich food item. Green leafy vegetable and dry fruit are example of iron-rich food item. Third, food item that give us roughage. Cereals and corn are example of food item that give us roughage. Protein rich food item, milk and egg are example of protein rich food item. Food items rich in carbohydrate. That is fifth question. Rice and potato are example of food items rich in carbohydrate. So, today we had done revision of lesson 1, need of food, because all living beings need food and food give us energy for doing all the activities. Then we have revised next topic 5 food group like carbohydrate, protein, fat and vitamins and minerals. Then we have seen the role of rest, posture and exercise. Then we have solved worksheet of lesson 1.